I was fascinated with this concept of sentinel species. It's a term taken from environmental toxicology, which is using other species as indicators for how our environment is affected by pollution. They're kind of these canaries in the coal mines whose well-being and health condition can tell us something about the state of the ecosystem that we're affecting.
We live in an environment that's really plasticized. All of our products are generally made of plastic, and a little bit of our products get inside of us. So we are all a little bit plastic too inside. So we are actually potentially a very highly exposed species. Slowly, we're starting to realize that we could also become a sentinel species. And in fact, aren't we all sentinel species?
Our project is a science fiction film about two imaginary researchers who want to become sentinel species. And they do so by introducing microplastics from the sea to their immune system. This work is then mixed together with an actual scientific experiment where we extract macrophages from my blood, which are the sort of first responders of the immune system, and feed them with microplastic particles that can be found in our everyday environment.
A macrophage will react against everything that is dangerous to the body. They are big eaters. And the question that we have is what happens when macrophages actually eat microplastics?
Seeing in front of your eyes this sort of microscopic battle between my macrophages and the microplastics was just really crazy.
Actually, you should not work with your own blood. There's a convention that we shouldn't do that. But I can understand that it has a meaning for an artist. This has created a number of questions. Do you imagine that your macrophages are actually outside of your body right now and interacting with microplastics away from your own self? I can imagine that this has a deep philosophical meaning for an artist like Sissel.
It just brings another layer of importance and interest and curiosity into this whole realm that we study from a reductionist and non-emotional point of view.
Heather and Juan, who are also, I think, special unicorn scientists, they already have artists' mindsets, so they're really going full on with speculating along with me and think a little bit further than what we can say is actual scientific knowledge right now. So I think we're all sort of like wanting each other's job a little bit, which is good.